Hey guys, Kyle Ivey here with Techie Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about Google Keep for the grading comments in Google Docs. One of the great features of Google Docs is the ability to leave comments in the margin for your students in order to provide them with that helpful feedback they need whenever you're grading their work. You can offer suggestions, you can point out areas that need correction, highlight great work, provide links, and so forth. And so what I'm going to be showing you today is a fairly new feature for me, and it is called Google Keep. And this is at keep.google.com. Now you can also find this under your waffle, or what I like to call the 9 boxes. And once you click on that, you can see that it's right up here with all of your other little apps that you have. Okay, so if you'll click on that, you will be taken to a page that looks like this essentially. Now, what I have done is I've created different notes for each different comment that I usually make most often in a Google Doc on the student's page. Okay, and the reason I did this is because you'll find that when you go to a document and you go here and you highlight it and you comment and then you have to type out this same thing 24 times, that this can be kind of time consuming. And so this is actually just going to be a shorter, easier route for you, because now once you create these notes, all you have to do is copy and paste them into that comment section. You can have these pre-done links there, and the students can just access them and go on and fix their paper. So this is a neat feature. So in order to create these notes, what you're going to do is go up to here where it says take a note, and you're going to hit these 3 lines that says new list. Okay, in order to create a new list, of course we got to give it a title. Now I've already created these notes for different things, and maybe things that I would comment on a student's paper. All right, there is an article, actually a paper, a Google Doc out there created by Tim Powers, and I'll put the link below, that he has put all of these comments in, and I'll actually show you that. So here is the Google Doc that he's created. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go to here where it says style, and then I'm going to copy these. Okay, Command C, since I am on a Mac. I'm going to go back to my Google Keep, and now I've created this new list. Okay, so where it says list item, I'm going to hit Command V, and that's going to paste all of those in there. Now you can see that it brings those hyperlinks over. I just need to title this, and I forgot what it was. Okay, a style. So I'm just going to type in style here. Now, one of the most important things when you're doing this and creating these comment notes in Google Keep is you want to go down here to these 3 dots, and you actually want to add in a label. Now what the label does is it actually allows you to, one, find this easier, and two, you'll actually be able to just pull up these comments in the Google Doc, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. So what I want to do is, if this was a new label, which it's not, but I would enter that new label name, but I'm going to label this with comments as well, and then I'm going to hit done. Okay, so now you can see that I have all of these different things, and each one of them have the label comments. Alright, so this is just going to allow me to find it a lot easier. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my paper that the student has turned in, and what I want is for those comments that I created in Google Keep to show up. Alright, so one of the new features that your Google Docs has done is under Tools, they have added this Keep Notepad. So if I click on that, basically what you'll see over here in this column is all of your notes from your Google Keep. Okay, the downside to this is that it's going to bring up every note. Okay, so if your comments are not the last one, they're not going to be the last ones to show up there. Alright, so this is what you need to do, and this is what I was talking about earlier with adding the label. Okay, I'm going to go up here to where it has a little search magnifying glass. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to type in comments, because that's what I want to look for, and now I can see that it's just those that show up. Alright, now one other thing is that you may see is if I go down here to where it says grammar, I can see that only 4 of my grammar comments are showing up. Now if I need more, if I know that, let's just say that I was going to correct this where it says background notes, and I knew that whatever my comment was going to be under grammar, then I can actually just click on it and then all the rest of them will pop up. So it's just an easy way to use those. Now, what can be kind of confusing is that you don't ever want to hit this little box out here to the right and click on that, because you will accidentally delete that, just like I did here. So don't do that. What you're going to want to do is when you are ready to edit or make a comment, you're going to highlight whatever you're going to make the comment on, and you'll see this little box pops up to add a comment. So I'm going to add a comment, and let's just say that, for instance, I want to add this common splice with this link. So I just highlight it, Command C to copy it, go into this comment, Command V, and now I have this comment here. I can comment, and now the students will see that. They can actually go to this link and they can see what they did wrong and so forth. And so this is just an easy, quick way for you to do that instead of going and hitting comment and then trying to type out all of that here, which could take some time. So this is just a way for you to save some time. I hope you like it. I will share that link below with Tim Powers' comments. You can use them, you can edit them, you can do whatever you want to them. He was gracious enough to have us share that with us, and so I hope you like that. So this is using Google Keep for grading comments in Google Docs, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Bye.